Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Edmond's channel. This is Jan 2026 P4 walkthrough. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the content, leave a message for me if you need more clarification, or let me know what you need me to cover in the next video. Thank you. Next question, question two, we have integration. Use algebraic integration to find the exact area. Remember they said all the working should be shown. So that means you can put this on the calculator and get the answer, but you need to show all the working out. So you're going to use integration by parts. Integration by parts says that if I have the integral of u times the derivative of v, I'll put the x over here, the answer will be u times v minus the integral of v and the derivative of what? And the derivative of u. You always choose the u that you can get the derivative easily and the v that can be integrated. So over here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose my u. My u is going to be the natural log, the ln of a half x, and then my dv, the differentiated one, is going to be x what? X cubed. So over here, I'll get the derivative of u prime, which will be the natural log is or the derivative of the inside, which is a half over the function itself. And then my answer is going to be just 1 over x. And I'm going to integrate this to get the value of v, which is going to be x power 4 over 4. So I put in the formula. So my integral, therefore, my integral of x cubed ln of half x dx is going to be equal to u times v. So my u is ln of a half x times v. My v is x power 4 over 4 minus the integral of v, which is x power 4 over 4 multiplied by the derivative of u, which is 1 over x with respect to x. So I'll write the x power 4 first, natural log of a half of x, minus, when you simplify this, you have the integral of, so this is x power 3 over 4 dx. Right. Then your final answer for the integral, you have x power 4 over 4 natural log over half of x minus, when you integrate this, what you have x power 4, but now divided by 4, which is going to be over 16. Over 16. That's your integral. But I'm not putting the, I'll put the c just for now. So I'll put the c here. I'll put the c here because I didn't carry on the limits. Now I'm going to put on my limits. So it was the limit. Check here the limits on the top. The limits we have from 2 to 2 is squared. So we have our limits from 2 up to 2 e squared of x cubed natural log over half of x dx. That means my answer here. So I'm going to put in the limits. So I have x power 4 over 4 natural log over half of x minus x power 4 over 16. Now put in the limits. All right, from 2 up to e squared. Now you have to be very careful because they want the answer in the exact format. So I'm going to substitute it now. So substituting the 2e first. So I have this is 2e squared, all of it power of 4, then over 4 natural log of a half of the e, which is a half of 2e squared, minus 2e squared over power 4 over 16. This is the first bracket. Now the second bracket, you substitute in 2. So what you have substitute 2 over here. You can substitute straight away. So you have 16 over 4 natural log. When you substitute in 2, you have 1 natural log of 1 minus substituting 2. What do you have? You have 16 over 16. So let us try to simplify this. So what you have as our answer here, this one's going to be 16 over 4. So you have e to the power of e to the power of 8, then 16 over 4. So you have this as 4. We have this as 4 because I'm going to divide by 4. Multiply by the natural log of this. So the half cancels this, and then this one over here just going to be the natural log of what? The natural ln of e of 2, which is just 2. So this is just 2. So this multiplied by 2. Subtract, and this is going to be 16 over 16, which is just e to the power of what? E to the power of 8 minus, and this one here is 0. So this is 0, and then this is a minus. This is going to be 1. So you have a minus 1. It's going to be a plus what? It's going to be a plus 1. It's going to be a plus 1 here. All right. Then what we have here, we have this is going to be 8e power of 8 minus e power of 8 plus 1. So you have 7e power of 8 plus 1. So that will be your answer in the simplified form. Thank you.